Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text in a table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align text in this table. Firstly, select some text. Now I select this column, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see the alignment option, left align, center or right. Now I select this center align and we can see we align text center very easily. You can apply another columns. Now I align right. You can align left, select the column and align left. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.